Hello viewers, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to discuss about interesting topic which is rental application. We will only see the how to sell the product based on rental. I mean based on specific rent. Like you, if you have some products or some equipment, something that you are giving on rent based on hourly, weekly, daily, monthly, right? So how the Odoo rental application is very useful in that case. So for that, Odoo has rental application. So I have just installed, and if we open here, then we will go to configuration settings, and here we can set up this particular general settings. So this is, let's say, an unavailability days. So if you are not providing services on Saturday, Sunday, something, then you can set up this kind of days. Minimal time of rental, so it means minimum 1 days. Every user like need minimum 1 day, right? Like let's say if some need only like few hours, then you are not providing this kind of. So here you can set up hourly, like minimum 1 hour, 2 hour, or minimum days, right? And also here default delay cost, like if like let's say 1 hour, let's say user want to like your delivery, and like submission time is, let's say, 11 a.m. today, and customer come and like submit at 12 level, it means 2 hour late. So then per hour it will charge 5, right? But how to, like, I mean, after how many hours this applies? So you will give like 2 hours cooling time, something like, let's say, uh, the submission time is 10, then if customer come 12, then no issue. But if we come like 1 or 2 p.m. something, then you will charge per hour extra, cost, right? And this is configuration. Now we will go to products. I have already set up this. Let's say this is DSLR camera rental. So here we will set up the product type, track inventory, invoicing policy here. And here in rental prices section, we can configure 1 hour cost is 110, like 1 day 10, 1 week 100, and monthly 1000 something. Hourly fine 5 cost, and daily fine, like if 1 day late, then 10, and reserved 2 hours before picking time, right? This kind of we already set up. And how we can like launch in website site. So we just need to go to website and publish this product. You can see I have already published. Now you can see how we can do here. Let's say, so let's say this is the rental product. Let's say if I want even 1st June, and is as it's 1 day, we need to already like spend. So let's say if I set 2, I mean 3, so it means 2 days, right? So it is 22 days, right? And then here you can see this kind of cost. If I add here, and if I go to backend, then you can see this, right? So this kind of rental product we can easily set up on backend side, and we can like launch in the website e-commerce platform. So how this is like rental application very useful. How we can like set up our rental products, and we can launch in website side, and customer easily can book online, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you.